Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a valid and working Go workspace into your system. By creating a valid Go workspace, it gives you a lot of leverage and freedom how to organize your code. First, you need to make sure the Go is installed on your system. So for this, you can quickly go to the official Go website, download the correct binaries for your system, just install, follow the standard guidelines, and yeah, you will have a valid Go installation in your machine. In order to just verify, the only thing you need to test is to check the version of the Go which you have just installed. So for this, just type Go version, and yeah, for my machine, yeah, of course I have 1.20 version of the Go installed in my machine. Okay, so once this part is done, you have to then create or select a folder where you will be installing your Go workspace, not installing but configuring your Go workspace. Okay, so for my case, I will be creating inside this folder YouTube, right? So here what you need to do is create a workspace folder by the name of Go Workspace. So the only thing you need to do is mkdir go-workspace, and yeah, so now you are inside the Go Workspace. Now in order to identify a valid Go workspace, the folder need to have three important folders created inside this directory. So the first folder is package, next is bin, and the last one is src. So this is a standard structure. Once you install the Go in your machine, you will see that a default Go folder is created in your home path. So in case of mine, if I go to my home path and if I select the Go folder, you will see I already have bin and package already available here. There is no src because I haven't created any source code inside the src folder of my home path. So since I never created, because I don't work in this path. Okay, so we will again go back to our main folder. So here also you will see we have bin, package, and we also have the src folder. So quickly what we'll do, we'll create a project inside the src folder. Now inside the src, we'll just create a folder by the name of hello go. Now we are inside the hello go project. Now what we'll do is we'll just quickly open up a text editor where we'll be writing the code inside this section, right? Now we are inside the VS Code editor, and here what we will do is create a what you call file hello.go. Correct. Now also we'll be creating a folder where we'll keep some VS Code settings. So first let me just show you what is the current Go path on the VS Code. Now we'll do the command shift P, and here you will see current Go path. If you enter, you will see for my case it is users Sujit Go. This is my current Go path as of now, but we have to do this inside the Go Workspace folder, right? So in order to configure this Go path in VS Code, first you need to make sure you have the Go plugin installed in your system, which is this one. So for my machine, it is already installed and enabled. Okay, we'll go back to our project section, and now we'll create a setting.json inside the VS Code folder. Settings.json. Now this settings.json file will configure what kind of settings you need to have in your project. So since I have already installed my plugin in this section, I'll have a property by the name of go.gopath, right? And here you will give the path of your Go Workspace, because that's where our 3 folders resides, right? Right. Now we'll just save and we'll just quickly see again what is our Go path. Okay, now it has been changed to the Go Workspace. Now this is correct. Now our project setup has been done. The Go Workspace is already set up and is recognized. But there's one more thing which is causing some issue inside the terminal, which is if I say go and go path, this is still pointing to my old Go Workspace, right? Or the default Go path. So in order to rectify this, we'll add a few more settings. I'll just check it and let you know. So in order to set your Go path into your terminal as well, because for most of the time you will be running your Go program via terminal. So if the terminal don't understand what is my Go path, then it won't be of use, right? Because the VS Code knows what is the Go path, but there is an ongoing issue inside the plugin that while loading the default terminal of the VS Code, the Go path and the Go Workspace paths are not being initialized inside the terminal. Okay, so since terminal is not initialized by the Go path, which is already been identified by the VS Code, so we won't be able to run our programs. Our programs will still point to the old Go Workspace. So in order to resolve this issue, VS Code has a setting which is terminal dot integrated env, not Linux, for my case it is OSX, right? Now inside this, what we'll do, we'll initialize our Go path and our Go bin. Okay, so what this section does is it tells the VS Code that before starting up the terminal, just load these environment variables for me. Okay, so it is very important for us because we want to initialize our Go path, right? So we'll just copy the same Go path inside the Go path, and inside the Go bin we'll define just the bin folder, right? Now if I save, now I'll kill the terminal and I'll open up a new terminal. Now here if I say go env Go path, okay, now it is saying the correct Go path, right? So now our development environment for the VS Code has been done. We have successfully initialized the Go Workspace for our Hello Go project. Now we can close this. So now in order to verify our Go Workspace, we'll create a Hello World program inside the Hello Go. So first we need to import our package, which is main, and now we will import the fmt so that we can do a println fmt.println, and we'll write hello from Go. Right, we'll just save this. Now go run hello.go. See, now our hello go program is working. Now once your hello world application is complete, just try to run this, which is by running go run hello world.go. Now this will give you an output, whatever desired, which is in my case is hello from Go. Now this has been printed. That means my Go program is running successfully. Okay, so now we need to just make sure whatever we are adding, installing or packaging and fetching all the packages is going to our Go workspace, not the global workspace. Okay, so for this we'll just quickly do we'll just try to do a build and try to install this application in our Go workspace, and let's see where are all the binaries are going. So we will do go build. No, before running this we need to also initialize this. So go mod init and hello. So now our go mod file has been created, which has the necessary information about this module. So we'll just now do the build command. Go build hello.go. This will give me a binary. Now we'll just quickly verify the binary as well. See, the binary is working. Now we'll do go install hello. Okay, this has been installed. Now where it has been installed, so I'll just quickly show you the folder structure again, which is this one. So for our Go workspace, we are currently inside the Go workspace, okay, because we have shifted 2 directories. Okay, so we have the 3 main directories inside the Go workspace, which is bin, package and src. Since we have done the install and this has been a binary, we'll just check the bin folder, and here we will see we have hello. Now if you try to do a call, we are getting the output. So that means our installation has been successful and it is going to the correct path as per our definition inside the Go workspace. So that's how you need to install the Go and configure a Go workspace as per your own project needs. This isolates your global installation with your local installation or any project specific configurations. Okay, and all the installations and whatever package which you need, which you want to separate out from your global package. So that's how you create a Go workspace, so that you have a neat and clean Go environment every time you are working on a new project. So that's it. Thank you everyone.